Now we are taking a look at the suspension for the front of the car. One of the things that I was struggling with is determining where we have play from, or where do we have movement, abnormal movement. These wheels are really heavy. You see where the normal procedure would be left and right on the horizontal plane, on the vertical plane. On the horizontal plane, you determine if your tracking rod is faulty, has play. On the vertical plane, you determine if your roller bearing has play. And another thing that I found in this car, apparently on the MOT advisory, it had a problem with some pivot or something, because I cannot fit a crowbar and because the wheel is really hard to move. I found a easier way of determining if you have play. If you're able to see, you lift the car, you put your legs on the lower part of your wheel and you push up. As you can see, besides the fact that the spring is broken on this car, let's see, is the camera working? So, let's see if you're able to see it. It's harder to. And I think that the better place seeing it. The common problem with these BMWs, another common problem, is that joint, and I'll be doing the same movement. That joint ages is taking the force from. So this is how I'm able to lift and see if I have that movement. The same procedure, I've done it on the other side. It's also faulty. The parts have been ordered and we will be changing them. We will be changing them at the same time with the springs. So that will be another interesting video. I hope that this information helps, and I will be seeing you in the next video.